Hi, I'm Shauna Riggers, managing attorney at Arizona Family Law Attorneys. And have you ever wondered who's going to be responsible for paying for those student loans that were taken out during the marriage? Sometimes this is a tough one because it does depend, but I would say most of the time, the person who received the education is the person who should be responsible for paying for that debt. It's a pretty easy decision. Let's say someone went to medical school, right? It wouldn't necessarily be fair to make the spouse pay for the other person's education. A case that's not so clear cut would be when someone starts school but doesn't finish, maybe went for a semester, but for whatever reason, maybe the other spouse wasn't able to assist with home duties and that person had to drop out of school. But now there's that debt there that really isn't benefiting either party. That would be something where the court might divide that in a different way than the previous example. A super common question is what happens when the person went to school before the marriage? That would still be considered their separate debt because it happened before the marriage, and the classification of the debt doesn't change. The part about those payments that were made throughout the duration of the marriage is something that could possibly be negotiated, and you would definitely want to get legal advice before you started making any sort of negotiations on that issue. If you have questions about student loan debt and making sure that the proper person is responsible for paying that, give us a call here at Arizona Family Law Attorneys, where we provide peace of mind as there is no substitute.